Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can restore or recover deleted lists in your account on Microsoft Lists. So let us get started. So let's assume, for instance, guys, you accidentally removed the list and now you'd like to recover. You can do that as long as the given list hasn't been removed from your trash folder in Microsoft Lists. So what you want to do is navigate to your account on Microsoft Lists, and let me remove this list here for the sake of this tutorial. Let me click into it. Click into its title, select delete this list. Then guys, from your home screen here in Microsoft List, you want to click into that gear icon in the top right and choose recycle bin. And then go through that list of deleted documents, click into that check mark cycle to the left, choose restore, wait for the restoring to be finished, and as you can see, it has been restored. So if I navigate back to the home screen, you will see that the list has been moved. Let me just refresh the page. Here under my list, as you can see, the list has been moved back to its previous location and restored. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.